Hello, what do you know about Kaprekar's constant, the magical number? Alright, so this is basically the number. Oh, sorry, 6174. So what is amazing about this number is typically if you subtract the biggest number here, like if you subtract the smallest number here from the biggest, you get 6174. Look at what I mean. The biggest number here is what? 7641. And the smallest is what? 1467. If you subtract this, you get what? 6174. Right? Yeah. So typically this is applicable to any 4-digit number. Alright, so this is applicable to any 4-digit number in the sense that you can actually pick up any 4-digit number and subtract. You subtract the smallest from the biggest in that number and it will give you what? 6174. It might not actually give you this 6174 in the first iteration, but if you continue before you get to the 7th iteration, right, before you get to like applying this the 7th time, you get what? 6174. Right, you can actually try out a number randomly. Let's say any number, 2345. Let's say 2345. Let's check the number 2345. Right, so typically the biggest number here is 5432 and the smallest is what? 2345. 3087. All right, so from this 3087, the highest number here is what? 8730. And the smallest is what? 0378. 8352. Alright. We subtract again the biggest and the smallest. The biggest here is what? 8532 minus 2358. 6174. So we got this number after how many iteration? 1, 2, 3. So no matter any number you pick, before you get to the 7th iteration, you get what? This Kaprekar's constant, 6174. Right? Provided that you are not picking, it has this condition that provided you are not picking a digit number which has like all of them to be the same. Right? In the sense that you are picking 11111. The 4 digits are 11111. And actually from this, the biggest number is 1111 and the smallest is 1111. Or if you are picking 8888, where all the digits are the same. If you subtract, you get 0. So provided you are not picking all numbers or all the 4 digits to be the same number, let's actually check 1000. Let's say 1000. Okay, the number 1000. Let's check 1000. So the highest number here is what? 1000. And the smallest is what? 0001. If you subtract this, what do you have? If you subtract this, you have what? 0999. Right? Good. Now, the highest number here is what? 9990. You subtract this from the smallest, which is 0999. 8991. Right? So from here now, the biggest number again here is what? 9981. And the smallest is what? 1899. 82 8082. Yet again, we subtract. The biggest number here is what? 8820, and the smallest is 0288. 8532. All right. Now, from this, now the biggest what is what? 8532. While the smallest is what? 2358. If 6174, which is the what? The Kaprekar's constant, the magical number. Don't ever stop learning. If you stop learning, you stop living. All right. Thanks for watching.